Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd, CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's video update for Friday the 29th of May. In the last 24 hours there have been 7 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria. There are 60 active cases and almost 500,000 Victorians have been tested. 7 people are currently in hospital, including 2 patients in intensive care, and 1,549 Victorians have recovered from coronavirus to date. National Cabinet met today and agreed to some changes to the way in which the federal and state governments meet into the future, with the replacement of the Council of Australian Governments, or COAG as we know it, with an ongoing National Cabinet. The Premier announced today a change to the request for people who are working at home to stay working at home for at least the remainder of June. This will now become an enforceable direction for which employers must adhere, or there are penalties for failing to comply. The Premier stated that this was to avoid, particularly in very populated areas such as Melbourne, many people trying to access public transport and office buildings, lifts and the like. With the weekend upon us, a quick reminder that there are still only 5 reasons that you should be leaving your home: shopping for food and other necessary goods and services, accessing medical services or providing caregiving, attending work or education where you can't do those things from home, exercise and participating in recreational activities within the rules, visiting friends, family and loved ones again within the rules. And from next Monday, the 1st of June, restrictions will be further eased, and this means that we'll be able to have a total of 20 people in our homes, with outdoor gatherings also increasing to 20. Overnight stays can resume at private residences and at accommodation. Communal toilet facilities can be reopened at campgrounds and caravan parks, but not communal showers. Guidelines are due to be issued today by the state government to assist accommodation operators in safe practice and how to be compliant with these rules. These are yet to be published, but as soon as they are, we'll circulate them and make them available. Restaurants, cafes and other hospitality businesses can resume dine-in services for up to 20 seated patrons per enclosed space, again from Monday. And Business Victoria has provided guidelines and resources to help businesses get ready for this. Libraries and other community facilities will be able to open with no more than 20 people in a single area. In the case of our libraries in our shire, given the size of those buildings, this number will be lower. For more information on these restrictions, you can visit the DHHS website at dhhs.vic.gov.au/coronavirus. Parks Victoria has advised that camping areas will be open at Lake Eildon National Park and the Cathedral Range National Park again from Monday the 1st of June, including public toilets. Visitors do need to book online at parkstay.vic.gov.au. And Delpa's advised all state forest camping areas in Murrindindi Shire again will be open from Monday, including public toilets, with the following exceptions which will remain closed. And they're Kendall's and Tin Hut campgrounds in Rubicon, Bulldog Flat and Burnt Bridge campgrounds. I met today with the management of Lake Mountain Ski Resort. It was great to hear of the advanced planning that they've been doing, ready to open. Numbers will be very limited, and it is essential that bookings are made online, as there will not be an option to buy tickets in Marysville. Council is assisting with messaging boards and will work closely with the resort to monitor traffic congestion, and a particular reminder to business owners in Marysville that you have a responsibility to manage your shop numbers and comply with the Chief Health Officer's directions. Council staff will be visiting businesses across the Shire to ensure that operators understand and are complying with their obligations, and police remain responsible for enforcing public behaviour. Vic Roads have advised that there's 1 more week of tree works on the spur, with the works now due to finish on the 4th of June. This is great news for local businesses and corrects an error that was published yesterday by Vic Roads. In council news, I'm excited to announce that tonight we're launching a new online platform for businesses and customers in our Shire and beyond. Following on from the launch of Dindi Directory a few weeks ago is the Dindi Store. The Dindi Store is an e-commerce platform or an online shop that will assist local retailers, producers, artists and service providers to sell their products and services directly to their customers online. And that's at thedindistore.com.au. It's free to register your business, and the site is funded by a very small transaction fee at the point of sale. It'll also give customers an easy way to shop locally from the comfort of home. So if you're a business and you'd like to sign up to be a seller on the Dindy store, visit our website murrindindi.vic.gov.au/Dindy store to register. And for shoppers, it won't be very long before there are plenty of products and services available on that site for you to buy at thedindystore.com.au. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching. My next video update will be on Monday, unless something happens significant over the weekend. Don't forget tonight's Dindy Live event at 6:30 p.m. featuring Daryl Hull on the piano and Bruno Torfs, an artist, local artist. The event will be streamed on Council's Facebook page and on our website at murrindindi.vic.gov.au/Dindy Live, or you can listen live on UGFM.